everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Vinted haul, so that means lots of second-hand, thrifted, sustainable stuff, which I personally feel better about doing a lot of the time than online shopping from like new shops, buying things brand new. But at the start of the month I went a bit mad and I placed a few different orders and I've ended up with 6 items to go through, so let me show you what I got. I've been through and I've unbagged them so I don't have to edit out all of the crinkly bags. The first thing I got is this viral H&M knit rib dress. So it's a short knit dress in like a really soft, nice fabric. I got this in a size a small. We'll see how that goes. And it's the greyish colour that I'm pretty sure is sold out on the website, which is why I actually went digging for it on Vinted. So let's try this on. I think this is so cute. Just tilt you down so you can see it. I would definitely wear this with tights. I don't like my leg tattoos anymore, and so every time I wear something short, it has to be with tights to cover them up. Or definitely like a knee boot if I was gonna go bare-legged. I'm just looking at my app and looking at my orders. I managed to pick this up for £11. It didn't have the tags on, but it feels very new, and in the description she did say that it's brand new without tags and she only ever wore it to try it on. So I've done very well here. I've basically had the H&M website signed up to notify me when this dress came back into stock, but it's like 35, maybe like £37 to buy new. So I think I've done extremely well here and I can't wait to wear this. Been like accumulating these over the last couple of days-ish, and each time an item arrives I'm like, no, because I want to do a Vinted haul, so I can't wear anything yet, but now I'm doing this I can actually wear it and I can't wait to. I think this will be so nice for work as well. So the next item is actually a two-piece set. It is an amazing co-ord that I actually had my eye on from the original retailer itself, which is Shein. But I don't like buying new from Shein, I just don't think it's like ethical. But if I find a barg on Vinted and it's Shein but it's second hand, I don't feel like I'm doing like that much evil to the environment, because I will wear the absolute bejesus out of this. So it is almost like a beachy cover-up set, but I'm gonna wear this all the time. I might even want to wear it as pajamas. I would definitely wear it out to like dinner, drinks. It's like an oversized chocolate brown set in like this crinkly material, and it is really light, so it's definitely like more of a summery one. It has the trousers that match, which are just like a wide leg, like a palazzo pant kind of thing. The most amazing thing about this set is that the girl who was selling it had the trousers tailored to fit petite people, which, oh my god, like it couldn't have been more perfect for me. I am on the shorter side and I did buy a similar set from Shein before, and I can tell you from experience that the trousers were quite long, and so I was umming and ahhing about whether I wanted to order a new one in this colour because I just love the chocolate brown colour. Aside from the fact that it was Shein and I didn't want to buy from Shein anymore, another thing that was stopping me was the fact that I knew the trousers were going to be too long, and from my old set I've like chewed up the bottom of the trousers so badly where I've been walking on them. So have a go at this. I literally love this. I think I would probably go tucked in, and also notice the length of the trousers. Like once I've got a pair of shoes on, these will fit absolutely perfectly and they won't like drag beneath my shoes. I don't know if I'll go tucked in or if I'll go like one in, one out, but like these are just lush as pajamas. I could definitely wear this into the office with like smarter accessories like a blazer, and I just think the colour is absolutely gorgeous. I got this in a size medium and it was only £7 for the top, the bottom, and the bottoms being tailored to fit a petite person. Like that's actually just the bargain of the century. Like it's actually just the bargain of the century and I can't cope. My next item is a tags still on Primark number. It's like this fuzzy fluffy knit jumper which has long sleeves. I've got it in a size medium. It was £15 for whoever the girl was that bought it. I didn't pay that. I've been after a crew neck jumper for a while, like a nice crew. I've got loads of high neck or turtleneck ones, but I just needed one that was like a low, so you could put a t-shirt underneath and layer it. This is what it looks like. I love the oversized fit. The sleeves are like almost balloony sleeves, and it's like, considering it's Primark, it feels nice and soft and like doesn't feel scratchy or itchy or anything. Love the colour. It's almost like a really pale, like buttermilk colour, and it's not just like a normal knit, it's almost got this like sheepy, like fluffy texture, which so warm. So it's tags on, brand new, and I paid £7, which I'm extremely happy with. And next we have another Primark jumper. I saw a jumper like this, a girl at work was wearing it. I said, oh my god, where's your jumper from? She said Zara, and I thought, I'm not paying 30 quid for a jumper. So I had a look on Vinted. I couldn't find the Zara one on Vinted, but I did find this Primark one. This was only 3 quid. Just before I put it on, I will say that this is slightly bobbled, and like it's definitely been worn and washed a lot more, considering the other one is brand new with tags, but I don't really mind that for £3. I also feel like, because, you know, we're kind of February-ish and spring is going to come soon and we won't need all of our knitwear, so I'll probably only wear this a few times before the end of winter, and then I'll just keep it nice in my drawer until next winter. Oh, it matches the trousers really well. But this is what it looks like. Again, it's just like a nice easy crew neck. The sleeves are a nice length. They're not as like voluminous as the other one, but I could definitely wear this to the office with like a shirt underneath. It's just a nice easy like throw on piece, and again it's just like that lush chocolate brown colour that I love so much at the moment. I can't stop wearing it. And who knew, but now I have a matching jumper trouser co-ord set as well. So yeah, this was £3, and this was a size large, and I never saw this in Primark, and I go into Primark quite frequently. I never saw this, or I would have bought it new. I have no idea what it cost new, but I'm really not mad at that for 3 quid. The next item was a really good find for me. I've wanted one of these for such a long time, never bought them, because from the website, brand new from ARKET itself, it's like 9 quid I think, and then you have to pay shipping on top. So I was like, no, I'm not paying like 14 quid for a bag. And to be honest, I want this to go to Aldi with. This is going to be my food shop bag. I have a canvas tote bag that I take to do my Aldi shop every single time I go, but it's like an old one. I think I just bought it from Aldi or maybe Lidl, and it just looks really tatty. But this means that when I am out and about, I can get the outfit pics with my ARKET bag with my Aldi shop, and no one will know that it's just got like full of broccoli. This was such a great find because it's got the tags on. It came in the original like plastic wrapping from the website, and this was only a £5. So like with the buyer's protection and the shipping, it still worked out to be about £3 cheaper, maybe £2 cheaper than if I bought it from ARKET itself. But then if you plus and minus and do the mathematicians for the postage, this was such a bargain, and it's absolutely brand new, and I've wanted one for so long, and I just love it. And then the final item I picked up just in the charity shop when I was out and about, so I'm going to include it here because I think it still counts as part of like my thrifty second-hand-ness. But I picked up this book for £1.25 from the British Heart Foundation in Bristol City Centre on Broadmead, and not only do I think it will just be like a beautiful display book, but I don't read very often, but I was just sitting on the sofa flicking through it a few nights ago, and it is full of some amazing info. This book is Eat Beautiful by Wendy Rowe, and from what I can gather, she is like a celebrity makeup artist and like nutritionist, and this book is full of delicious looking recipes. It tells you all about the benefits of certain like superfoods. So there's a whole page here about sardines. I've never eaten a sardine, but maybe I will. And then each recipe section is like broken down into seasons, because it tells you how you're meant to eat like seasonal produce, which I found really interesting. And then there are pages about things you eat that like just make your skin absolutely glow, like radishes and spinach, and it tells you about all the benefits of each one, and I love that. It's got testimonies from Victoria Beckham, Cara Delevingne and Christopher Bailey on the back, and it's got the original price on here. So when it was sold in bookshops like Waterstones, WH Smith, I don't go in bookshops, but it was 20 quid, and I got this for £1.25. So when we move, I'm gonna have this like out on display either in the kitchen or in the living room. I just love how it looks. It's like lovely hardcover. And I'm definitely going to take inspiration from some of the recipes because some of them just look absolutely stunning. Ooh. So I was really pleased with that find. So that was my Vinted haul. That is everything I picked up doing my second-hand sustainable thrifty shopping. Now I can hang them all up and actually get them into the wardrobe on rotation. I can actually start wearing them. So as always, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye!